If you got a three-dimensional solid, one thing you can do is actually slice it with a knife or just with a plane or any way you want to think about it, and then you can produce actually two-dimensional objects. Let's take a look at some three-dimensional solids that we will slice through. Let's see if we can identify what the slice is. So suppose I take a rectangular prism and I cut it. Well, this actually describes what's called a cross-section. So the thing you get here is a cross-section. And what does that cross-section look like? If we take this particular rectangular prism and slice it with this plane, then the cross-section, it looks like, to me, a square. Looks like a square. So their cross-section is a square. Neat! Who would have thunk it? All right, let's try a harder one. Let's take a pyramid that has a rectangular base. And now let's make a slice with a plane that's parallel to the ground. And you can see, what does the cross-section look like for that? Well, it's sort of hard to visualize maybe, but if you look closely, you see that what we get is another rectangle. In fact, it's a smaller rectangle, but it's still a rectangle nonetheless. And so you can see that we can take solids and discover facts about the solid by looking at these cross-sectional slices.